everybody, it's Amalia, and I'm here today with a haul and some announcements. So let me get started with the haul because I know that's more important than anything else. I purchased from a couple of different locations. Let's see, I got Brutus Monroe, I got Joann's, Stampers Anonymous, and Imagine Crafts. So let's get started. Actually, let's get started with Imagine Crafts, not Imagine Crafts, Stampers Anonymous. And I just noticed something. I went to the Stampers Anonymous website and they had free shipping, but I also noticed that it's multiple companies. So it's Stampers Anonymous, or Gone Wild, Inky Antics, Mason Road, Darcy's Heart and Home, Versus Rubber Stamps, and Northwoods Rubber Stamps. So maybe this is the original company and then they bought these other companies. I don't know, but I thought it was very interesting. And you know, Stampers Anonymous is the one that sells the Tim Holtz products. They make the stamps, and they sell some of the other products as well, like the stencils. So let me show you what I bought from them. Tim Holtz, in case you don't know, has been doing lots of lives, and in one of the lives he showed a make with using this stencil and some acetate, and he was using one of the gel products that he makes, and of course I should have bought that, but I didn't get that. And but anyway, it was really cool, and so I wanted to get it, and I wanted to get some of these. I got two of these. I got the baseboards and transparencies, Christmas 2023 and Halloween 2023. They're both transparencies and baseboards, and they have windows and doors, holiday messages, windows and doors, and transparencies. And the transparencies here, this is like a what is this called? What would you call this? Harlequin. And then this one has broken glass on it. And again, I'm collecting products and for a project I'm working on. And mostly the project is collecting products for the project because I haven't done anything with it. But I got these because I thought they'd be a decent addition. I didn't need to get two of them, but I did get two of them. And, you know, I only really need one for my project. But anyway, I got two of them, and there's so much in here. Does it say how many pieces are in here? It doesn't say, but it's chock-a-block with all of this stuff. So anyway, that's what I got. I got this stencil and these baseboards and transparencies. So I was happy with that. Let's go with my purchase from Joann's. They've got lots of stuff on sale. They had all card making supplies on sale for 50% off. So I got a lot of that type of stuff. This I got for my Dremel. It's some sanding bands. And ask me how many times I've used my Dremel. Then I also got some mixed media stamp and stencil set. This has, it looks like it has this similar pattern to it, and I bet you it's actually probably exactly the same. But anyway, I got this one and this one. These were half off, so this was only $7.50 for these stamps and the stencil. Then I also got this die. This is a butterfly etched metal die, and I just like it because it was the size of a card front and it was half off. Let's see, I got this, and I have a sneaking suspicion it's a duplicate and I might have this already. And if I do, guess what? It's gonna go into a giveaway. Yeah. So I will double check my stash and see if I have this, but this was like only $4, so I thought it was worth it regardless. And speaking of having duplicates and putting them into a giveaway, I recently had a giveaway, and J. Marie Designs was the winner of that giveaway. And right now I have another one, a long-term one running. If you go to my community tab, you'll find that every Wednesday I am posting polls. What kind of card making do you like? What's your favorite technique? And you can choose between different polls, and you can leave a comment. Actually, if you leave a comment on the weekly poll, you can go back also to previous polls and answer those polls and leave a comment on those polls. I'm going to pick a winner. The polls are running every Wednesday from now until the day before Thanksgiving. And so I'll pick a winner after that. And I'll send you some fabulous stuff from my stash. Brand new, mostly unused, fabulous stuff. So anyway, go take a look at my community page. Please subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed. And if you click the bell and mark all news, you'll see when the poll publishes, and you can check it out and select your choice and leave a comment that you've made your choice. Okay, so I got these stencils. These were stencil packs, and they're really inexpensive. And it comes with a variety. This one is stripes. This one is little dots. And I just love stencils. This one, and these are all Hero Arts products, if you haven't seen that already. These are peacock feathers, and that's kind of like a peacock design as well. These are 6x6. And this looks like this design right here. So, yeah, that looks like that. And what else is that one? Oh, that's one stars. I think these are so cute. And let's see, what else did I get? Oh, I got this. I don't know what brand this is. It's called Top Notch, but these are 8x10. There's 3 of these. And it's stencil type of material. So yeah, I want to try making my own stencils. So we'll see how that works out. What else did I get? Let's go with the stuff I got from Imagine Crafts. I got 4 of these jumbo daubers from Imagine Crafts. They sell these at Joann's also, but I bought these directly from Imagine Crafts online. And no particular sale or anything like that. I just got these because I wanted to try them. And actually, I'm on the Imagine Crafts design team. So, plug for Imagine Crafts. And let's see, I have some of these Fantastics, but I have them in what's called the bullet tip. So it's a rounded tip, the same size pen, but a rounded tip. And this is the brush tip, and it's a pointed tip. And so I wanted to give these a try. These are absorbent coloring tools, so you could dip these into ink, and then they should act like a pen. So perfect for use with all-purpose ink and fireworks shimmery craft spray. See, it shows you how to do it. So used to color on paper, fabric, or other surfaces. Very cool. So I already have some of these in a different style. I also got this, which is the Essential Glue Pad. It's a glue pad. It's got a nice ink pad, and it's water-based adhesive, and it's got a refill in it, and I want to give this a try for doing small stuff and just see how that works. I wanted to give that a try. I also got this. This is a Memento ink pad in Tuxedo Black. I already have one, but I've had it for many, many, many years. I've refilled it a few times, and I just wanted to get a new one. Just a brand spanking new one. Yeah, so that's that. I also got one of these. This is called Ink Potion number 9, and it's an ink blending solution. So let me see if I can read what this says. Resists curling paper when dry. Uses spray on projects to encourage ink migration, spray stamps for watercolor effects, mix with inks and spray as background, used to blend watercolor crayons or pencils. So I'm thinking that'll be interesting to use. I want to see how it works. I never heard of it, and I never saw it before, so I thought it was really interesting because, you know, when you use paper when you use water to spray on your cards, the paper curls a lot. It really reacts to the water, and so if this is going to prevent some of that warping, I really would like to see that. I have no idea what the ingredients are, but I also bought a large bottle of that as well. So a refill. Okay, so that's my Imagine Crafts stuff. Super happy about that. And then I got some stuff from Brutus Monroe as well. I'm on the design team for Brutus Monroe as well. And I will leave a link where you can find Brutus Monroe and also a code for 10% off your whole purchase at Brutus Monroe if you're interested in any of the things that I got. I got some Candy Coat. So Candy Coat is one of their glazes that has glitter in it and mica. It has kind of large chunks of stuff in it, kind of like candy. And it's really interesting. This is the pink Candy Coat. Let me show you what I did with it. I was just experimenting and playing with it, and I don't know if you can see, but there's large chunks of mica in there, lots and lots of glitter, different colors of mica also, and I just thought it was really interesting. It's like a glitter glaze, but it goes to the next level of glitter glaze. I really like the color. I really like the sparkle. So I'm excited to keep using this. I also got some foilable card panels. I have a mini mink and I would like to use it more often. So I got these foilable card panels. And there's these are called scribbles. So I thought these would be really interesting to use. I think there's 4 of each, 4 designs, 3 of each. 3, 6, 9, 12. So there's 12 card panels total. That's a great deal. This is the stencil, the Simple Blends stencil that I used here. And yeah, this one is called Pressed Flowers. Super cute. Then I got Thanks for Being There stamp set. And it has some designs and shapes that are floral shaped, but really unique patterns in them. And thank you for being you're literally my favorite. Thanks for being there. I also got this friend die. And yeah, some of their dies come like this, and some of them come in an envelope. And so what I'm going to do, since I like putting my dies on magnets, is I'm going to take this out and put this right on here. And here's another die that I got, just so that you know. This is Heart and Hands cutting die. I really like that. And I just put it on this die magnet right there. So I got Heart and Hands and Friend cutting die. I also got this You Color My World. I just love the look of the crayon. You color my world. Don't be afraid to color outside the lines. Forever friends. Thank you. Love. So I got that. I didn't get this, but this was mixed in with my stuff. I've had this. This is aqua pigment watercolor paper. This is some of my favorite watercolor paper for card making. It doesn't warp. If it bends or warps a little bit, it's easy to adhere down and you don't see any of the warping. Then I got this. This is fabulous. This is called Birthday Box, and it's a 9-piece set. I also added some magnets here because I like using magnets so my dies stay in place. And this is fabulous. And I will be doing a live on the Brutus Monroe channel on October 9th. And I will be using this die to make up some cool gift card boxes. So this is a really great birthday box, really great die set to have because you can make boxes with bows and etc. Then I also got this. This is Crafty Elves, and I got this for Christmas to make some cards for Christmas. It's 14 pieces. It's got elves doing lots of different things, crafty things, wrapping gifts, making gifts. There's no one elf like you. Be your best elf. Deck the halls. Have your elf a merry little Christmas. I thought this was adorable. I think this would be fun to color. And yeah. All right, folks, that's my haul. So remember, I'm going to leave a link to Brutus Monroe with 10% off your purchase. And don't forget to mark your calendars. Not only am I going to be live on the Brutus Monroe channel on October 9th, also on World Card Making Day, October 5th, I'm going to be live on LV Handcrafted's channel for World Card Making Day. I'm going to kick off the day at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, 10 a.m. Pacific Time, and then I'll also join one of the next to last events that day around 9 p.m. So join me and others on the 5th and definitely on the evening of the 9th, 8 p.m. Eastern for the Brutus Monroe channel. That's it. That's all I have, folks. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Please click thumbs up and leave a comment below because I love hearing from you. Bye.